Now, Akraba, Wafreme, Adjoa searching, Mesrel, now was subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusian for Eya na no man penida da mahama eko kumase ekusia sofofo no creative art industry no nwa mudi nkomo na nse me piepie mu de bebre abeku Santana. A renowned journalist like you, akujan akwaje mic akokensem from Ghana fusi no konso. Abeku Santana si yenja digitalization no na use TV. Na ndem ni for TV wo Ghana ha. Ebia mrafu ya want to go internet ya. Na nketese na mranji want to be TV da. Abeku Santana kensem fuye na yesini so no. Opambour osofo nso se. Ompenda da mahama mra. Okase bi no se. Ghana card no obi se Emma card. Emma card. Eh. And this party na se wudi achi a. Cheme minye din na makokanse. Na Ghana fu bi so am na reply so Opambour yedin ya ba wasori abetua collections na ende wo de ayeye. So obi aba na so ohwe yemba ma yan keep quiet. E men ye bu fukra. Yenti reply what the Emma Opambour.
Eh Opambour, me dey jira nchan yo. Jira nchan kra na Dr. Mamun Bamia, emeya president no me hwe ye mama ye wai. O me hwem kra no mba no first stages no. Ema ye. Na ja nsem na wo bisa no kwa bisa mama se Ghana card e toka no mama no na de Ghana card ne bai. Ani tina kwa bisa Dr. Mamun Bamia se Ghana card no emfa so wo so no de na onchecho mu wonyansam na te ase yie da bia de nam ne de omonyo omo na de Ghana card ne ba yo na wa woto a sama pento to ubi se ye ma Ghana card etimi toka e jeka free mane mura ya cha mu ka cha nti madu nyina wo ka no so monwe mu madache ho wan wonwe madache de so fo awudi won to mako nto nchene bibia sare ma na toma nti wonhu free education no so mfa so.
Yo, Ejaya, me make say sa baton na yes sign ye na 8 years NDC buy no. Ghana fo nyi ena me ka say bibia besi na ye o. Se ama Ghana fo hu difference I wo NDC ni MPP ntem.
Obejedi.
Oma hu anka me kwampo se me so me ye NDC ni.
O sa.
Enti me NDC ni wa bia be free one be also be free oti region na voter region obey MPP ni. Who is telling you that? Me ye NDC for ye no mo na wo ka hwe aye ntie. Opa fa second CS wo ye na ye den de ye NDC. In fact, wanya hwe NDC nye campaign e wo oti region ana voter region obewini.
No ababa say.
No we ye hwe nye ye. But this time we are saying this so you should know. Say ye no mo krampo ya bani e ka we chira you should know. Say adia bi wo hon enkoyi ya no ahu say enkoyi. You know voters and noti people they are people they are very loyal. Say ono one wo ti ho a dia wo beye bia no ofa no obefa no saa. Nti no eyo enyo no oti ho. But ya hu sensisie ne ya sisi ya che. Oma hu say sisi abamu ache because ya we nyina mama. In fact they will go and come and not do anything. So the study say, "Wom see krobia mu say road ni ho na ho ma luke kurase pa." Nti ne akwan nyina anye but say ya kwan ye. So what are you trying to tell me? No. You can't tell me say NDC ni ye. Ye no mo we are telling you say NDC nye. And when we say NDC nya you have to trust us because ye ni enim. Yeah, dear. And we are telling you, say this time round, we have to move forward. As I say, omo beti mi aboa ye no. Omo na say omo system mu. Na so obi wa kwan nya no obi ababa ye kwan ma. Why do you think say ne wa nya ma no onu mbo mbe say ababa be. Na no meti yes ma amako mikrom dambai. Eko promise say na your ba obey bridge mama. And me say oh, okay, meaning my messages are going very viral. Me message a medical say sa hono ni ye hia no oba be ye. So you see this time around we will not allow any politician to come and give us cheap politics in order to go and come and do nothing. Say no competition about voter region. Do you know say voter MPs they are now doing campaign. Omo ye campaign seriously. Previously, now she be vote but this time, omania break. In fact, say ya more pressure. MPP are more pressure. Say, who do voter regional MPB your politics or your campaign? Or your campaign very serious. This is telling you, say, Sakrayaba.
According to sources, Okujuta Blakwa.
Or your campaign serious.
Sure. Baumia call. Not
on Obayan.
No, Obayan. Okujuta was a Debbie. Say, man, listen me boots here.
And yeah.
Assemble Debbie.
First, there was no competition, nothing. Oba, we then the voter in the region now, but now, about fine crap, better more. But this time, me say Ejaya say, oh, many bro, we campaign. Very, and that is what we want. Aha. In as much say people think, see, I am now make kind of be say, voter for me, say, Mamma Cho, say, voter for your way. And this in your seat, be brave voter. Now say a swati crumper, it should be a threat to you. You should know, say you didn't do your homework well. If you were able to do a lot for the people, you will not face these challenges. It's because of that.
There were statistics be war. K2 North. K2 North 2020 election. NDC candidate, you know, and MP no. Onya 28,041 votes. Kofi Jamashi, onya 23,130.
So you see,
Enti Ketuno for dear Gab,
Missy,
Gabona abedemuno, Eswa, Enti. Sania impum tu kakra aba honum ne kaka hono.
Me see.
Getting off.
They are losing that seat gradually. Losing. Me say, microphone they say many at you. When you say na ya Jimmy, but no, it's because they say ya do ni bibia. Inti no at least obi show so do no wa ye bibi kakra mani pa no. But wo no wa nya hwe amani pa kro no na obi a ye ndo no no. Ejaya, we just a we be for. Obia won pen asem no onu mboma ba ye ne mama o ba ye de be. So that is the reason why they say votes and you oti for Abuja MPP so. And it's going to make a very huge difference. Almost NDC no. They are afraid. Almost pa. In fact, say almost yeah. Let me name so much me campaigns. I never knew. See, NDC can ever do campaign like they are doing in the voter region. No. Say every day. Engaging the people, trying to talk to the people.